OMG, y'all. I'm Alicia and welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. We have an unboxing. Let's get to it. Y'all, I just got a package. Let me turn this air conditioner now, because why is it so loud? Hold on. Hey, now I'm back. I just got a package. As y'all see, I already got my ready. First of all, it's got a little weight on it. It got a little weight on it, but also it's a fragile. Okay, fragile. I don't know what's in here that's fragile, but we gonna find out together. Hold on. All right. Let me bring y'all a little closer. I feel like y'all mad far away. Like y'all can't see what's going on. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Y'all. Oh. Y'all. Don't hold up. Let me hold up. Y'all. Is this a real ticket? Is this a real ticket? Enjoy your first look at Drop 1.0 of the exclusive online Renaissance World Tour collection, courtesy of Amazon Music, available now at Amazon.com/Beyoncé. Yo, okay. Is this Amazon? Let's talk. Y'all got a suite or something? Y'all got a suite? Y'all got... Can y'all get B on the line? Tell her I need to be on the stage risers, because I don't know if she's going to be able to see me for... I mean, I'm getting distracted, but I'm just saying. The ticket brought me back to... First of all, the way this light is shining onto this, yo, it's crazy. I'm trying to see how I can get this thing out. Hang on. Okay. Ooh! Oh, look. Shining, yeah. All this winning. What is that? It's a Amazon Music. So it is winning. It's the disco for me. Let me put this up here so then it'll make it higher. So y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? I got y'all. Hold up. Y'all know my unboxing situation be. Hold up. All right, there we go. This is nice, girl. Y'all know I'm keeping it. Like what? Look. Oh, is this like one of them shoe things? Oh, we got a sticker right here. Amazon, can you send me some more of these? Like three or 5 more, okay? Because this will go perfect in my closet. I got some other stuff I need to store. And I'm going to keep this to store all my Beyonce stuff because, like, yeah. If you're listening. I know you Amazon Music, but, I mean, can you talk to the other Amazon? Let them know. All right, now, let me get the razor because I'm trying to get this sticker off this top plate security over here, okay? I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at you. All right, here we go. Oh, wait. It's another one on the side. Okay. Okay. I pull up in these clothes, look so good. Why? Cause I'm on that. Oh. Beyonce. This how Beyonce was on that. She was having the movies when she was like, telling everybody. Oh my God. Yo, not the exclusive merch. Not the exclusive merch. Not the merch before she even hit the tour. Wait a minute. Ooh. Another one. Thank you. Renaissance. Oh my God, y'all, look. World tour. Oh my God. Beyonce. It even say it on the tag, like Renaissance World Tour, period. Unicorn is the uniform you put on, eyes on you when you put on, eyes on I when I perform. Mastermind, I'm so couture, label horse, can't jump, I'm so couture. I gotta get that part together before the masterpiece drip intravenous. Pedicake on that rest of the info on that ceiling. Ooh. It's the options for me. It's the options for me. Beyonce. Girl, if we besties, just say that. If we besties, just say it. If we locked in, ain't no switching up. Y'all, hold up. Because I gotta do like the girlies do. Hold up. Yeah. Yeah. It's given very much. I'm one of one. I'm the only one. Don't waste your time trying to compete with me. Woo! Now, y'all, I'm probably gonna live in these. I'll be lying because I'll be loving it so much. I'll be wearing it. Y'all, why are these such good quality? Not Amazon. Amazon. Amazing. Oh, these are some good quality. But wait for it. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, because if you thought, yo, it got a pocket in the back. It got pockets here. And this is my thing. It's the length for me. As a tall girly, I'm holding these up to my boobs right now. And the bottom is touching my ankle. So, it's the whole sweatsuit for me. Not me looking like I'm part of the crew. What time y'all need me there? What time y'all need me there? What time y'all need me there? Because I will be there, dressed, ready, performance. That, like, girl. We go together real bad. Beyonce. Amazon. Come here. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I'm beyond honored. Now if we could do something about this saying, I'm gonna cross mine out and make it say New Jersey. Because technically we gonna be in Jersey, and I'm from Jersey, so you know I feel like it's only right. But I ain't trying to tell nobody what to do. Don't tell Beyonce I said that. I don't want no problems. I'm obsessed. I'm honored. I'm so grateful. I really don't know what to say. Like, I was not expecting all of this. I thought I was going to get a little t-shirt. I didn't know she was going to come with 2 t-shirts. Hold up. You won't break my soul. And I'm telling. Y'all know who I'm telling. Everybody. Period, boo. Y'all can't see me. Ooh. What's this mean? I'm one of one. I'm the only one. That's what that means. Alien superstar. Whip, period. Y'all ain't got it. You can't get it because you ain't got it. Well, you can get it because I heard it's on Amazon.com/Beyonce. Beyonce. Hold up. No, this is how the girlies do it too. Look, this is how the girlies be. Oh, yeah. Just going to go out for a little stroll. Just going out for a little stroll. Yeah. Put this, excuse me. Scoot over. It ain't about you. It is about you. Just gonna go for a little late night stroll. Excuse me. It's currently 80 degrees right now, but that doesn't matter because when Beyonce say yes, nobody can say no. Okay. Look. Don't I look so cute? Look. It's a cost of $1 billion to look this. I see you want it and a hunted. You need some fellas, look so funny. So my girls look so yummy, yummy. Period. Y'all better hurry up. Y'all better hurry up. Y'all better hurry up. This is what I love about this is I'm not gonna have to tussle with the girlies at the tour. Cause y'all know I'm gonna be doing the most. So I don't even know if mentally I'm gonna be able to do all the things that I want to do to experience this tour how I need to experience it. So I don't need to tussle with the girlies because your girl got the merch already. She got the merch already. She got the merch already. I'm about to sew all of this together and it's gonna be my outfit. Now it's gonna be the end of July. So if I pass out, don't worry about it. It was worth it. Thank you. Y'all, I am just so grateful to Amazon Music for sending me these goodies. I'm obsessed. Thank you so much. Beyoncé, I love you. I cannot wait for the tour. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more.